In Vertex BD 2026, there is an improvement to truss engineering process. User now would have the option to engineer repetitive trusses so that all trusses will share the same engineering results. The improvement was made because we noticed on the site that when trusses are erected, they are generally arranged with the ideal spacing, and therefore the truss engineering results for the trusses with odd spacing are invalid. This is especially true for floor trusses. We can use this project as an example. With the old setting, we will have T2B and T2A for the same trusses, where T2B has a different engineering result compared to the rest because it has a spacing of 511 instead of 900. Results can be found here. In the new version, in the design criteria window, we have a new checkbox. If the user chooses to implement engineering repetitive trusses to spacing, then the system will try to recognize trusses with identical truss members, connections, and supports. If found, then it will try to find adjacent trusses on both sides of the truss and recognize current actual spacing. If this actual spacing is less or equal compared to the user-given ideal spacing, then loads are scaled up to represent ideal spacing loads in engineering. Like shown here, now the T2B will become also T2A. That way, we will need only engineer one truss of identical trusses because the result will be same for all identical trusses. In this way, it will save engineering resources and save engineering time, and also it will be more realistic on the site. To be on the safe side, if truss actual spacing is more than the ideal spacing, or if truss carries point or linear loads, then the truss is still engineered in its own group, and the actual result will be still reflected as usual.